You are a healthcare consultant or a coach, and you're wondering where the heck are the clients? Well, let's talk about it. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Claudia Garcia. I'm a healthcare consultant and service-based business owner who has been sustaining her business for almost 2 decades. Today, I teach other healthcare consultants like myself how to grow online and how to capture the attention of your ideal clients. Before we jump into today's video, I would love for you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my content. I'm here to help you and I want you to grow and be successful. And if you enjoy what you see, go ahead and give a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow and lets YouTube know that what I'm making is actually useful for others who are watching. Today, there are so many people launching their own business that the market oftentimes seems really saturated, like there's just too many coaches to choose from nowadays. What I like to say is that there is enough to go around. So you are the perfect coach or consultant for somebody. But in order for that somebody to find you, they actually have to know you exist. And how do they know that you exist? You become visible online. I use LinkedIn as my #1 tool to show people that I'm alive, I'm in business, and that I know something about something. And guess what? People come to me. It's pretty cool when you can turn the tables from doing a ton of outreach to then having inbound leads. And the way that happens is by showing up consistently and giving value. Now, I'm not telling you that you need to nurture people and date them for years in order to get one thing from them. But what I'm saying is that when people can find you and find your solutions, you're more likely to get clients than if they can't find you or see you. This might seem like a no-brainer, but for some reason, people still don't get it. I go on LinkedIn and I see empty profiles, business pages that haven't been touched, and I'm thinking to myself, like, oh my gosh, they are losing money. So if you're still not visible on LinkedIn because you're wondering, my goodness, how do I even start on LinkedIn? I'd like to invite you to join one of my free LinkedIn workshops. I do them on YouTube and I always announce the next date in the comments on my YouTube channel. So if you would like to learn how to show up on LinkedIn and how to get people to find you, then join my LinkedIn workshop and I will see you there.